Math 3, Unit 7, Circles, a Geometric Perspective. As you start this unit, here's a quote about mathematics that you can reflect on. Practice isn't the thing you do once you're good. It's the thing you do that makes you good. Malcolm Gladwell. The big ideas for this unit include circles and their many special relationships and properties. You will investigate similarity and proportions in triangles as you discover the radian. You will derive the equation for a circle on the coordinate plane using the Pythagorean theorem. You will also investigate the relationships between arcs and angles with respect to a circle, as well as segment lengths in relationship to a circle. In the first two lessons of this unit, you will examine the relationship between different angles and arcs in a circle. In the context of irrigation systems, you will explore different ways to measure arcs. You will investigate patterns and develop rules for the relationships between the inscribed, circumscribed, interior, and exterior angles of a circle, and their intercepted arcs. You will use these rules to find missing values. In the next lessons, you will focus on the relationship between different segments created in a circle. You will investigate patterns and develop rules for the relationships between tangents, secants, chords, and radii. You will use these rules along with all the other rules in your toolbox to help you find missing values. The following lessons move into arc length, not measure, and areas of a sector. In the context of a pi contest, you will develop the formulas for these values and explore their relationship to the circumference of the circle. This leads into the discovery of radians. In the context of a round sidewalk, you will discover the similarity of concentric circles and how radians can be used to measure angles as well as degrees. The unit wraps up with looking at the circle on the coordinate plane and how to express the set of points as an equation. You will investigate how circles and triangles are related and use the relationship to develop an equation for circles. In the context of setting up a sprinkler system, you will solidify and practice writing equations for circles to model situations. Here's a list of key vocabulary terms for this unit. Some of these vocabulary terms should already be familiar to you from previous courses. Here are some key skills needed to be successful with the content of this unit. You should be able to identify angle relationships in triangles and parallel and intersecting lines, such as vertical angles, alternate interior angles, etc. Find the area of a circle, apply the Pythagorean theorem, and complete the square to rewrite an equation. In addition to your teacher and school-based resources, there are several additional resources available. The Ready, Set, Go homework help videos are housed in the Canvas site for your class. You can access these in Canvas using your student login. If you do not know how to log into Canvas, ask your teacher for help. The K-12 Math Resources website, which can be found on your school's website, includes additional support items such as unit and lesson overviews, videos overviewing the tasks, essential vocabulary, the North Carolina standards for each unit, learning targets for each lesson, and extra practice problems.